Hello and welcome back to the channel Crypto Enthusiasts. So in today's video we're going to be talking about four major things. The first one is whether or not the Tomarket airdrop is still going on. Two is why there's an increase in your balance, and the third thing we're going to be talking about is snapshot and listing dates. Okay, I believe a lot of us want to know about this. And the fourth is how to maximize your income before the snapshot so that you would be able to rake in a good amount of this token before the official airdrop listing dates. Okay, so this is what we're going to be discussing in this very video. Now the first one is whether or not Tomarket airdrop is still going on. Now I have to state this: Toma airdrop is still going on, and 30% of the total supply would be given to the community. Okay, now if you look at the top right here, you're going to see this very banner right here which says new airdrop Toma is listing now. This is going to be happening in 11 days time, and that is because the airdrop itself is going to be happening on the 20th and the snapshot is going to be happening on the 18th of this month. Okay, 18th of December for the snapshot and 20th of December for the listing. Okay, I'm going to show you where I saw that very update right now. I'm going to head over to the official Telegram handle. Right, I'm just going to scroll down to the very bottom and scroll right here. As you can see right here, this is one of the latest updates, and they said Toma 30% additional airdrop. Now breaking news, we're happy to announce that another 30% of Toma total supply will be airdropped to users ahead of the listing. To qualify, you must reach at least silver 1 in your Tomarket level. Now before I continue reading, let me show you where you see the levels and why they are important and how to reach silver 1. Okay, so what you have to do now, if you open your Toma app, is to go ahead and click that badge at the top left hand corner of your screen, which is this right here. So just click on this very badge right now. Now if you look right here, you're going to see that I am in gold 2. This is my rank currently. Okay, so the levels, if you want to see the whole level chart, just go ahead and click on this level chart right here. Okay, and this is silver level right here. This is silver level right here. Now this is level 5 silver. Now if you can get to anything above silver level 1, which is silver level 2, then you have qualified for this airdrop. Okay, you have to be in at least silver level 2, okay, to be on the safe side. To be on the safe side, be on silver level 2. Although they said to qualify you must reach at least silver 1 in your Tomarket level, but I would advise you be on silver 2 in your Tomarket level. As you can see, the reason you see level 1 clay, level 2 stone, level 3 iron, level 4 bronze, level 5 silver, level 6 gold is because for you to get to level 1 gold right here, you have to reach level 5 silver. Likewise platinum, right? For you to get to level 1 platinum, you have to cross level 6 gold, and that is a lot of stars, guys. That's a lot of stars. I haven't really seen anyone who is in the mystery level right here. Okay, but the important thing right here is that you have to be in at least level 2 silver. Okay, if you get to level 5 silver, good for you. And to reach these levels are not hard, right? They're not really hard. All you have to do is to get stars. Okay, just get stars by performing tasks, and once you get those stars, you come over here that says level up and click on level up. As you can see, I have 2 unused stars right now, and if I level up like right now, you see that I now have an additional 27 stars right here. I'll just click on use right now, and as you can see, you successfully used 27 stars right now. Now this is what they said: obtain 69 more stars to hit gold 3. Okay, from what I understand, you need a total of 96 stars, right? And right now I've done 27. If I get a total of 69 more, I would upgrade to the next level, which is gold 3. Okay, which is gold 3. Okay, so this is how you level up. And where do you really get these stars from? To get these stars, all you have to do is to come over to this spin section. Just click on this spin. Okay, you can get the stars from here. Okay, and if you remember, we usually click on these free spins right here. Okay, make sure that you click on these, okay, to get your free spin for the day. Okay, you always get 1 free spin each day, or you can sacrifice your 20 Toma tokens right here for a spin, but it's not actually recommended because you can use that 20 Toma token to get star, and spinning 20 Toma token to get a star is not really guaranteed. The result is not guaranteed. Okay, if you spin 20 Toma tokens right here, it will only be a bet, but I'm going to do this right now just to show you. Okay, I'm going to click on spin right now, and luckily I got 1 star. Okay, but in your case you might get 9 stars or something. It's not really guaranteed. And you can also get the stars by playing this very game right here. Come over here and play this very game. Okay, if I click on it right now, you're going to see it's loading up and it's going to start dropping. Now by the time you're done playing this game and catching the stars, you can earn stars from playing this game, but I've discovered that the highest star you can earn is about 0.1 star just for playing this very game. But it's still something. I mean, when you play 10 times you get about 1 star. Okay, so this is basically how this works. Remember to avoid the black bombs because this would decrease your score. As you can see at the top right there, I earned about 0.1 star already and 336 Toma token. Okay, so this is it right here, guys. 336 and 0.11 star. Okay, I can click on play attempts again, this black button right here, to continue playing, but I'm not going to do that right now because I need to show you guys something important you need to do. You can also get the stars from the tax section right here. If I click on tax right now, you're going to see a list of tax you can do right here. Okay, and the daily combo is as important as anything, but one thing I've discovered is that before the daily combo works, you have to make sure you have performed all tasks. To perform the daily combo is simple. You just have to know the icon for the day, then you fix them in. Let me say these are the 3 icons for the day. You fix them in and there's a possibility you would get I think they stopped rewarding stars for now, but you get spin tickets and you'd also get Tomarket tokens. Okay, those spin tickets can be used to spin right here. Okay, and if you use those spin right here, you can get stars. Okay, so this is basically how this very one works. Now the snapshot will take place on December 18, 2024. So by the time you're watching this very video, you have about 10 days to go. So even if this is your first time watching my video on Tomarket Airdrop and you haven't joined this, you can still join this and perform this very task, level up. Trust me, reward for new users right now is massive, even more than those who invited them. Okay, if you invite your family and friends, that's a plus for you. Now take note of these very updates, which says your level and participation will directly determine your share of the rewards. Okay, so it's not really about your level but your participation also. They want you to be active, they want you to perform daily combo, play the games, do the farming pool. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this is your opportunity to secure more Toma allocations. Ensure you're actively engaging on the platform before the snapshot. Details matter, don't be left out. Every details matter, do not be left out. Make sure you participate in every activity you have to participate in this very app, and make sure you level up immediately you get those stars. Okay, so why is there an increase in balance? Okay, why is there an increase in balance? Now if I click on airdrop right here, you'll get to see that I have 80,000 Toma tokens right here. Okay, before it was actually 73, but I was rewarded an extra 10% and it went up to 80,000. I'm going to show you why there's an increase in balance, but before we do that, I want to reiterate again that your levels right here and activities matters. As you can see, they clearly stated this out right here, which they said is the key to the airdrop. And right here you see your level, and right here you see that the spin section is one place you can get these stars, just like I said before, and the stars right here is also important. So make sure you do this and make sure you do it actively. Okay, so again, 80% of the Toma tokens belong to community. They are going to airdrop 80% of their total supply to the community. Currently it's about 63% right here has been airdropped. So once it gets to 80%, I think it will be good to go. Okay, so to know why there's an increase in your balance, it's called the early adopter reward, right? That early adopter reward is to reward those who join the project really early, and to show you that very update, I'm going to go over to the announcement section right now and search for November 26th. So as you can see right here, the early adopter reward tier. Now tier 1 is 20% for people who joined on or before July 14th, okay, and tier 2 is 15% reward for people who joined on and before July 31st, and last is tier 3 reward, which I fall into, for people who join on and before August 31st. Okay, so you get an extra 10% increase in your balance. So imagine you had about over 300 Toma tokens before and you get 20%. That's an extra 60 something thousand token added to your Toma balance. I mean, that is really massive, just to reward you for participating in this project really early. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the last on our list, which is how to maximize your balance. I've spoken about most of these things, right? But there's something I haven't said which is important, and it's right here, right? There are two things I haven't said, which is this and the farming pool. Okay, so if I click on this very one right now, you see that I have about 103 Toma tokens. Now I'm not sure they are going to make use of this very token, but one thing we need to do is to swap this token to stars, and to get 1 star you have to swap 20,000 Toma tokens. As you can see right here, I have 103,000 and they're just going to register 100 for me because that is something that is equivalent to the stars, is what is going to record right here. Okay, so we're just going to go right now and swap this. Okay, and once we do this, we'll be rewarded with 5 stars. As you can see, swap successful, and I'm now left with 3,000. Okay, I'm just going to head back right now, and like I told you before, it's important you level up, and to level up you have to use these stars you just got now to level up right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right now and come back and click on level up right now, and then use these very stars to level up. As you can see, you successfully used 5 stars, and I need 64 more stars to level up. So this is basically it, guys. It's not hard, it's really simple. Okay, the farming pool right here will also reward you with new tokens. These are kind of new projects. Okay, once you click on start right now, you're going to see these very projects, and you can just come over here and read up the reward. You can come over here and read of the reward, but you get a certain amount of snip token. Okay, you get a certain amount of snip token for participating in this. Okay, I'm going to click on start farming right now to start farming this snip token. And for you to start farming, you have to perform these very tasks, which is subscribe to Red Pocket channel, launch Red Pocket mini app, followed you on X. So we're going to do all these tasks. Okay, I'm just going to do all these tasks, then come back to this very video. So once this is checked, then you want to come over and click on this next button right here, and just click on farming right now. Now by the time you're watching this very video, these tasks might not be available anymore because it's just 1 day left. Okay, so just in case they bring out a new task or new project, you want to come over here and do this. But here's a reward you can get, right? They said more Toma stake, the faster your production. But I'm not really sure on this. Reason I don't want to stake because I don't really know if I'll really get this back, right? I'm not really sure about that. Okay, so do this at your own risk. And there's the worker boost, which is you inviting your friends with the link here. If you decide to invite someone with this very link and they join, right, you get 10 sniff per day. If they also invite their friends, they get 10 sniff. Okay, so this is basically it for this. Now another place you want to come over to is the tax section. Once I click on the tax right now, like I said before, you have to do the daily combo. It's important. And there's the bonus tax right here. Okay, you have to do all these, keep participating in this. Now if you don't do all this, you won't be able to claim the daily combo. Now for those of us who are rich, you can buy 10 stars with 0.1 ton, but this is not guaranteed. Please do this at your own risk. Reason is this is 30% distribution, so you don't expect the distribution to be as large as 10. So whatever you're doing now, it should be at your own risk. Now there are 3 taxation right here, but you can currently see 2. Now the first is the special tax, which you need to do. It's special because it rewards you with more tokens. I'm going to click on claim for performing this very tax right now. Okay, now even if you perform a tax and you see it just loading up, you just see the tax loading up. Let me click on bonus tax right now. Okay, even if you perform a tax and you see it's loading up like this, just give it some time. Okay, it would correct itself and you see the claim button. Okay, now after doing the special tax, there is usually another tax somewhere around here called the limited tax. Okay, once you see that very tax, you want to do it immediately. The reason you do it is because it's limited. It goes away quick. It doesn't stay forever. Okay, unlike these ones that you can still come back in 2 or 3 days and still see them. Okay, so this is the 3 tax you need to do here: the special tax, the limited tax, which is not currently available right now, and the standard tax. Okay, as you can see, I've done all the standard tax right here. Okay, what I'm left with right now is the bonus tax, and you can see the rewards, right? 800 Toma, 800 Toma, 2000, and stuff like that. So once you do all these, this Toma gets to accumulate right here, and once they accumulate, you come over here and swap them for stars. Once you swap them for stars, you go ahead and level up. Okay, your activity and your level will determine the amount of airdrop you get for the second distribution. Remember, snapshot is on the 18th of this month and the listing is on the 20th also. Okay, more so, remember to play the games, very important. So I believe I've touched everything in this very video. Now, one thing I didn't touch is the weekly, which has ended. Okay, I found out about this late, so I was only able to claim about 305 tomatoes. Okay, so kind of a weekly airdrop update. So this is basically it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. If this is your first time stopping by, then do it to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for future updates. Remember, it's important to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any updates whenever I post them. To even stay more updated, you might want to join our social media handle using the links in the description. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care and goodbye.